So hello everyone and welcome to a new weekly overview. Hi جميعا, welcome to weekly overview جديد هذا الأسبوع. We know that this week we are يعني in many places the market are closed, especially on Monday, and there is a little bit low volatility, but we have good results so far. عندنا volatility واطي ولكن النتائج تبعنا حلوة هذا الأسبوع, بما إنه في أسبوع أعياد. الأسبوع الجاي التنين يمكن ما يكون في تريد. So we'll do the weekly overview. رح نعمل weekly overview and you will check how it will make it step by step in the next week, especially when we bring back the volume to the market after the holidays, the Easter holiday. So first what we have, especially Tuesday, Monday everything is closed. Tuesday there's no big news, and Wednesday we have the CPI at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time, GMT plus 4. We have the CPI, which is the high volatility news that will move the market. It's an interesting event on the US dollars. It will move the Dow and all the pairs of the dollars that we work on the weekly overview. 5 p.m. we have for Great Britain, the Bank of England Governor Bailey will speak. We have also for Canadian, also the monetary policy for CAD. We have a lot of news on Wednesday, and also the press conference at 7. So be aware and be careful. انتبهوا, عنا امور كتير رح بتصير. السي بي اي 4.5 توقيت دبي، 5 الحاكم البنك المركزي البريطاني رح يكون عم يحكي. بكندا الساعة 6 حيكون في الريتس كيف الاف او ام سي ولكن بكندا على الكندي. So be aware of the Canadian pair during these days. Press conference, FOMC minutes at 10 p.m. Dubai time, and BOE governor speaks again 11:15 p.m. 2 times will speak this Wednesday. So Wednesday will be a high volatility day with all these news. Thursday, Australian dollar also unemployment claims, GPP, US dollar course PPI. It will be also on Thursday, 4:30 p.m. And then Friday, كمان الجمعة 4:30 p.m. Dubai time, 4:30 p.m. we have this core retail sales and premium. So these are for the news. We will have a high volatility news. So as you can see here, we start with the US 30 now. The US 30 on the daily, as you can see, it created a support here and created a resistance here on the daily, which means that the market now is taking a rest. الماركت هلا عم بيريح باليو اس 30 and getting ready even to push down again or to move up. What do I mean by push down? شو بقصد انه يرجع ممكن يكمل نزله؟ عم بيريح هلا قبل ما يكمل نزله. What I mean by pushing down simply that it can open, move down, and as you can see, CCI and percentage R on the daily are overbought so far, which means like breaking the lines for the CCI and percentage R, the overbought line can push further down. We have a clean traffic here and the sell can start 33,241. عندنا clean traffic هون مكمل نزله. ببلش السيل على 33,250 33,250. stop loss around 315. 33,240 the TP1 scalp, 33,135 the TP2, 32,973 the TP3, and the clean traffic can resume till this support 32,592 the TP4. As for the buy, أما بالنسبة للشروة، أما بالنسبة للbuy. So as you can see here, it can open, make a wick down, and then start to push up again, breaking this 33,715 33,715 شروة. 33,630 around this level, stop loss. TP1 3,715 725 TP1, 829 TP2. 900 the TP3 and the TP4 might reach the trend line, the bearish trend line 34,000. This is the TP4 can reach this level. We move to gold. It's still gold, still it broke here. It's still pushing up. The wave 5 is done. Look, it hit it all 32,000, 2027. Now it might be reversing at some point, but let's see here. We have this triangle. When it broke the triangle here, 2000, it pushed up to 2030, like 300 pips. Went here, the main break, it was nice. We will see how it will move. يعني الكسرة هون طلوع بعد وصل للويف 5، وصل للليفل اللي بدنا اياه. هلا عم بحضر تيكسر again. Now this is critical and important at the same time. I will delete this because we hit wave 5. We might see a potential correction soon. We will delete it all. Here, this level, we'll keep the old one so we can keep tracking what we did. Here, okay. Now we might be facing a divergence. Look, we have the high, lower high, and here we have the high and higher high. CCI and percentage R getting ready to break. Already percentage R started to break on the daily. CCI same. That's why we might be expecting a potential reversal if nothing extraordinary happens, especially that you have news. ممكن نكون عم نتوقع بهالدايفرجنس انه نبلش نزول خصوصا اذا ما صار شيء. And as you can see, this week will be a high volatility week, especially on Wednesday. خصوصا نهار الاربعاء رح يكون في كتير اخبار وهذا الشيء رح يحرك الماركت بشكل اساسي. So we have this resistance here, we have this resistance here. And if you go short here at this level, this is the sell. If we go long here on this level, this is the buy. So let's see. Opens, makes a wick up, and then start to push down. We'll have the sell around 19,097. No, 19,098. Okay, entry 2004 will be the stop loss. 97 the TP1, 1988 will be the TP2, 1974 TP3, and the full target might reach this support in 1950. Okay, otherwise, if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up again, breaking this high, which is the 2033 entry, 2033 2033 entry, 25 stop loss, 2027 stop loss, 34 the TP1, 41 TP2, 53 TP3, and this resistance here, 2074 will be the TP4. This is for gold. As for oil, as you can see, the gap that opened last week, big gap. After the OPEC decision to reduce production, بعد ما قررت OPEC إنها تخفف الإنتاج, it bounced back to 80 after reaching 64. Now we have a gap to trade here. The sell can be around 78.85. Stop loss almost like 79.20. 78.75 TP1, 78 TP2, 77.14 TP3, and 76 will be the TP4. Otherwise, if it opens, makes a wick down and then start to push up more, if it resumes the move up, we can have the entry starting 82, stop loss around 81.50, 82.10 TP1, 82.90 TP2, 83.90 TP3, and 85 will be the TP4. We go for Bitcoin, still stagnating here in the middle. بعد عم البيتكوين عم تشتغل هون in the middle. The daily, look what stagnation it has been since 17th of March, between 26,000 and 29,000. Now the big move still up. We are still expecting a potential push down if we break this resistance. So إذا كسرنا هيدا support, sorry, if we break this support, إذا كسرنا السبورت يلي هون ممكن نبلش ننزل 26,300. So plus around 26,800, 26,000 TP1, 25,400 TP2, 24,000 TP3, and 22,140 will be a potential TP4. Otherwise, if it opens, makes a wick down again, and start to have the push up that many are waiting for, especially breaking 29,500, 29,500, stop loss 29,100, 29,800 TP1, 30,300 TP2, 31,400 TP3, and 32,328 might be the TP4. As for the GJ, guys, here is also the GJ. هلا sterline yen. We are still waiting this push down. We are still waiting the support. We are still waiting this support. Now, if it opens, makes a wick up, and then start to push down. 162.60, stop loss around 1.63, 62.50 TP1, 62.30 TP2, 61.50 TP3, and 60.33 will be the TP4. Otherwise, if it opens again, makes a wick down and start to push up, it will go for the same buy with the same stop loss, with the same take profit. But let's update something here. Go for this. The buy will be around 166.60. Stop loss around 160. Wait, this is too big. Okay. Stop loss around 166. 66 scalp 70. 67.50 the TP2, 68.60 TP3, and 170.10 will be the TP4. This is for the sell and for the buy. We go for the euro dollar. Also CCI percentage are starting to break, which alert for a potential move down for the next week. احتمال نزله خصوصا انه عندنا CCI divergence percentage are breaking down the minus 20. It's now minus 27. CCI breaking the 100. It's now 78, 76. So what we will expect from next week to open, if euro opens, makes a wick up, and then start to push down, breaking this support, the previous low of the previous candle, يعني اللو تبع previous candle إذا فتح طلع عمل wick up ورجع كمل نزلة. This is here we are respecting the high, lower high, lower high, lower high. عم نحترم الهاي, lower high, lower high, lower high, up and then push down. Here we have 1.0875. Stop loss will be around Stop loss will be around 1.0895, 0865 TP1, 0845 TP2, 08 TP3, and 0765 will be the TP4. So we have potential clean traffic also. عنا احتمال يكمل نزلة مرة clean traffic كمان موجود. So there is a high probability that we can see the euro keep pushing down. Otherwise, for the buy, we have this high resistance. At the same time, we have this lower resistance here. So breaking up here, we have two scenarios. إذا كسر هون عن سيناريوين بلش من هون بيخلص فوق. So if it breaks 1.0980 with a stop loss 1.0955, 0990 TP1, 1.1020 will be the TP2, which is the old resistance. 1.1075 TP3 and 1.1120 will be the TP4. If we go to the GBP USD سترليني دولار إذا نروح عليه also CCI percentage R getting ready to break. Also CCI percentage R getting ready. It already start to break from our weekly overview on last Monday. Still pushing down. Now we will move this down again to see with Fibonacci how much we can leave. We can move. So the sell now, if it opens, makes a wick up and then start to push down, breaking 1.2180. Stop loss around 1.2405. Sorry, 1.2380. 1.2405. Stop loss 1.23665 will be the TP1. The scalp 1.2295 will be the TP2. The TP3 will be 1.22 and TP4 will be 1.2105. It's almost like 1.2185 will be the TP3 and TP4 will be around 1.2090. Okay. Otherwise, if it's like, if it opens, makes a wick down and then start to push up with a green candle full here, it will be like 3 white soldiers formation of the candles. This means that if it start to push up here, we will have a buy option starting this part or sleep black rose, it depends. So 1.2530, stop loss around 1.25, 1.2540 TP1, 1.2577 TP2, 1.2653 TP3, 1.2830 will be the TP4, and we might resume all the way up. AUD USD also it pushed down, as you can see, after it started to push up and took the order and took the TP1 and TP2 almost. So here we have a new formation. The sell will remain the same. If it opens, makes a wick up and move down, the same numbers like before. And this is again a flag formation. This is again a flag formation, and breaking this flag means that already from here it started to go more for a sell. Of course, you might see some retracement after these 4 candles down on the lower time frame, but if it opens, makes a wick up and then break this 0.6615 إذا فتح هذا الفلاج اللي عامل ويك اب رجع كمل نزول. So the target will be the full target that we have already put before. Otherwise, pushing up, if it turns and start to push up full way, the buy can start from this level. Breaking the high of the previous candle and breaking this channel, going into it again, open wick down and then push up, then you might have the buy starting this level with 0.6695, stop loss around 6680, 6705 the TP1, 6770 the TP2, 6860 the TP3, and 6985 will be the TP4 around this resistance area. And the DUSD also took the buy big time and it's retracing down. Actually, the buy will push here for a wick fill. The entry will be 0.6328, stop loss around 6310 or 08, 38 the TP1, 64 the TP2, 06405 TP3, and 6470 will be the TP4. Otherwise, the cell will stay the same here. I need to see this, all this breaking to start the cell by 0.6075 and pushing down. USD CHF, also big move down for the USD CHF. As you can see, the CCI percentage R are down and might be getting ready to break up. What we have to do is to check this resistance now. Now we have a new resistance, which is here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the buy can start from this level. $0.9085, stop loss 0.9065, 95 TP1, 91.15 TP2, 91.70 TP3, 92.26 TP4, and 92.76. No, that's it. Okay. Then the stop loss around 0.9075 or even 70. Now the sell can start from this level here for a wick fill. If it opens, makes a wick up and then start to push down. Like here, it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down. 0.9030, stop loss around 90.45, 90.20 TP1, 90.05 TP2, 89.63 TP3, and 88.73 the TP4. We go for the US, but I'm more just to be on the loop. I'm more pushing for a buy soon. If it reverse and break this sequence of high lower highs, this trend line down is a برم وكمل كسر هذه السيكونس تبع البرمة. And هون we have, and here we have 0.9085, 9060 يعني here, and then we have the CCI percentage are breaking, so the buy is most likely to happen. And I will be observing this. USD CAD, it already moved down all the way, the waves, and then it started to push back, retraced back after this push down until the 74% that we have on Fibonacci, which is 134.36. Now it pushed back almost like 100 pip up. تقريبا رجعت طلعت 100 pip. We are still waiting here. Now if it opens, makes a wick down and push up, breaking this resistance, the 50% will be interesting. Even we can push it further down now to this level. We'll get back to this. Okay. So the entry. Okay, 1.3540, 135.40. Stop loss around 1.3515. 50 TP1, 35.90 TP2, 36.50 TP3, and 37.40 will be the TP4. And for the sell, we will have to wait a break again below this level. So to resume down the way, it's 33.95 the sell, stop loss around 34.15. TP1 85, TP2 33.43, TP3 33, 1.33, and TP4 1.3270 will be the TP4. So this is it, guys. This is our weekly overview for this week. The market will be volatile. هذا الويكلي اوفيو تبعنا. الماركت رح بيكون عم يتحرك خصوصي بما يتعلق بالنيوز, especially for the news that will happen and will start happening starting Wednesday, next Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday should be an active 3 days. Monday it's off. Don't forget this. There is nothing, no live session. There is no market. Tuesday, we will see how much the market will move or if it will move in the right way. But starting Wednesday, we will have a very good volatility. So ابتداء من نهار الثلاثاء رح يكون عندنا الأربعاء رح يكون عندنا volatility أو حركة بالسوق منيحة كتير. تنين مسكر الماركت ومتوقعين إنه الأربعاء خميس وجمعة نكون عم نشوف الحركة الأساسية. Thank you so much guys and see you.